Are you about to travel and you just got your new set of hair extensions or your new beaded topper and you were a little bit nervous and you don't know what to do and what to take with you on the days that you're away to keep your hair looking the best? Just tune into this video. My name is Zoya. For all of you guys who know me, thank you and welcome back to my channel. For the newbies, I am the hair loss and hair extension specialist here in Dallas, and I do have a salon. I have had extensions for many years myself, so I'm not just saying this. This all comes with an experience. Number one thing you want to do, so you don't have to take your entire bathroom and your hair care stuff to the travel with you, to the airplane with you. You want to take a reusable shower cap. Do not rely on the shower cap you have on hotels, because sometimes they may not have it and then you get to just not use it. If you don't use this while you take a shower, even if you put your hair up, the mist and the steam and the humidity from the water will ruin your hair. So definitely that's a must. Depending on the type of extensions that you have, and then depending on how many days you're going to be gone, things kind of you have to kind of take more stuff or less stuff. But if you are only going for 3 to 4 days, I promise you can get away with washing your hair the day before, fixing it, and not taking anything else with you so to do or redo your hair. What you need to definitely have is an awesome dry shampoo, something that doesn't leave residue on your hair. The best way of using dry shampoo is holding it away from the scalp, putting it on, and then go back in and fluff it up. Take a very small travel size oil. Our hair always gets dry, and if you don't add enough moisture to your hair, you will cause frizz, and you are causing for your hair not to stay. Put a little bit on your hand and just put that from mid to the ends, and you brush through every night or every morning. It's reduced frizz, it's reduced static, and it will hold your style. I promise it will not make it dirtier. Take your own brush, make sure you wash your brush, and pretty much that's it. One thing it helps tremendously is having a few vertical rollers, something that you can restyle the top of your hair, right at the crown. How that works is you use this, just let that be. So you use 3 or 4 of them right around the crown or right around the top, and it would help you hold the style of your hair and not have to use a hot iron and tools to just keep up with your hair. So that is it for your short travel. Do not try to take all of your irons and blow dryer and all your brushes just because you're gone for 3 or 4 days. I promise you this works. If you're about to be gone for longer than 3 or 4 days and you have to wash your hair, what you need to take with you, of course, a travel size shampoo and conditioner. Depending on how long you're going to be gone, you can use a reusable, refillable bottle like this that it has a suction on that. It's under 3 ounces, and you can take it with you on the plane. That you can get something like this from Amazon, probably 10 or 15 bucks, I don't know, and it comes with all of these containers. You can put your shampoo and conditioner, and maybe if you have a styling product in something like this, or you can use this as just enough shampoo for once or twice shampoo and conditioner. Having a finishing product like a small hairspray is very helpful, and scrunchy that doesn't leave crease on your hair. If you just use a rubber band or one of those tight ones, when you're pulling your hair back, you're putting your hair up, it's going to leave a crease on your hair, and then you have to use a hot iron. If you have a blow dry brush, I love the Dyson Era that has the brush, or there are a few others that I use, that great blow drying brush that are fantastic to take with you on travel, and you don't have to take everything or all the tools. If you're going overseas to where the electricity is different, and you're going to Europe and their electricity is actually, I believe they're 220. Do not take your hot tools or blow dry with you. They will burn even though you have a transformer or transfer. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions and if you have any tips and comments, just put that below this video. And until next video, ciao.